Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is a special day because we have the opportunity to discover together Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max, the latest jewel of technology. In this video, we will do a detailed unboxing to show you what you will find in the box, and then we will go over all the features of this amazing smartphone. But before we begin, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single future update. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the unboxing of this amazing device. Inside the box of the iPhone 15 Pro Max you will find an iPhone 15 Pro Max, the device itself, available in the color variant you have chosen. A USB-C to Lightning cable. This cable will allow you to charge your iPhone and transfer data between the device and your computer or other compatible devices. A quick start guide and Apple stickers. You will find a short quick start guide that will give you basic instructions for getting started with your new iPhone, along with Apple stickers that you can use as you prefer. The design of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a superlative example of elegance and high-quality engineering. Every aspect of the device has been carefully crafted to provide a fascinating aesthetic and a luxurious feel in the hands of users. Let's start right away with the construction material. The back of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is made of Apple ceramic shield glass, known for its extreme impact and scratch resistance. This glass offers exceptional protection for the device, reducing the risk of accidental damage. The frame is made of high-quality stainless steel, which gives the device unparalleled strength. Form factor. The iPhone 15 Pro Max features a sleek design with thin edges, which help minimize bezels around the screen. This bezel reduction has resulted in a greatly improved screen-to-body ratio, giving users a more immersive viewing experience. Colors. The device is available in a range of sophisticated and attractive colors, including classic space gray, elegant silver, refined gold, and vibrant midnight green. Each color is precisely crafted to offer a distinctive sheen. Ergonomics. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is designed to fit perfectly in the hand thanks to the slightly rounded curves at the edges and balanced weight. This ergonomics makes the device comfortable to hold and use even for long periods of time. Screen. The front of the device is dominated by a large 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED screen with a resolution of 1284 x 2778 pixels. This screen offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and impressive brightness. ProMotion technology with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz ensures outstanding fluidity while browsing, watching videos, and navigating between apps. Camera. The rear camera configuration is harmoniously integrated into the design. The lenses are elegantly arranged and protected by sapphire glass. This minimalist design is an example of how Apple has tried to best integrate camera technology without compromising the overall aesthetics. Finishing details. Small details such as glossy edges, tactile buttons, and speaker grills were designed to provide a touch of sophistication. Every detail has been carefully considered to provide a feeling of luxury and precision. In summary, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is an example of cutting-edge design that combines aesthetics and functionality in an extraordinary way. The use of high-quality materials, attention to detail, and attention to form and function make this smartphone a true technological work of art. The screen of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is one of the most impressive and distinctive features of the device, offering an outstanding combination of advanced technology and exceptional visual quality. Let's move on to a super detailed description of the display. OLED Super Retina XDR technology. The display of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is based on Apple's OLED Super Retina XDR technology, which represents the pinnacle of image quality on mobile devices. This type of OLED screen is known for its ability to deliver vivid colors, stunning contrasts, and deep blacks. Each pixel of the OLED is able to emit light individually, enabling precise brightness and color management. Size and resolution. The screen is generously large, with a diagonal of 6.7 inches, providing an immersive viewing experience for viewing multimedia content, web browsing, and using applications. The 1284 x 2778 pixel resolution ensures sharp detail and exceptional definition, allowing you to appreciate every image and text on the screen. HDR and brightness. Support for High Dynamic Range (HDR) means the iPhone 15 Pro Max can play back HDR content with an extended dynamic range, offering detail in the brightest spots and darkest shadows in images and videos. Maximum brightness is impressive, with peaks of more than 1,200 nits for viewing HDR10 and Dolby Vision content. Maximum brightness in normal mode exceeds 800 nits, making the screen perfectly readable even in direct sunlight. Refresh rate promotion. One of the most amazing features of the screen is the promotion technology that supports a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. This means that the display refreshes 120 times per second, giving the device extraordinary smoothness and responsiveness when browsing, scrolling through pages, and gaming. Accurate colors. Color calibration is extremely accurate, with support for the P3 color space and the ability to display millions of colors. This ensures true-to-life color rendering, perfect for viewing photos, videos, and graphics. True Tone and Haptic Touch. The True Tone function automatically adjusts the white balance based on the surrounding ambient light, ensuring that colors on the screen are always optimal. In addition, haptic touch technology provides quick access to functions and shortcuts with a light touch and precise tactile vibration. In conclusion, the iPhone 15 Pro Max's screen is a technological marvel that offers outstanding visual quality with vibrant colors, impressive contrasts, exceptional brightness, and amazing fluidity thanks to the promotion refresh rate. This screen represents the ultimate visual experience on a smartphone. The performance of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is truly extraordinary and represents the pinnacle of Apple's engineering in the field of mobile devices. This smartphone is powered by powerful hardware that delivers outstanding performance in every aspect of daily use and beyond. Now enough flattery, and let the components of this magnificent iPhone 15 Pro Max speak for themselves. Apple A16 Bionic Chip. The beating heart of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is the Apple A16 Bionic Chip, a processor custom developed by Apple. This chip is built with advanced process technology and offers incredible computing power. The 6-core CPU is designed to deliver high performance and efficient power management, while the integrated 5-core GPU can handle complex graphics and demanding games with fluidity and detail. 8 GB of RAM. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 8 GB of RAM, providing smooth multitasking handling. This amount of RAM is more than enough to run numerous applications simultaneously, switch quickly between them, and keep the device's performance at optimal levels. Storage capacity. The device is available in several storage capacity options, including 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB. This large storage capacity allows users to store a huge amount of data, including high-resolution photos, videos, applications, and more. Performance in games. Thanks to the powerful GPU built into the A16 Bionic chip, the iPhone 15 Pro Max can effortlessly handle the most demanding games available on the App Store. Graphically intense games run smoothly, with amazing visual detail and responsiveness. Load and response speed. The overall performance of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is evident not only in the speed at which apps open, but also in the overall responsiveness of the device. Scrolling, switching between apps, and opening photos or documents happen immediately and smoothly. Thermal management. Apple has also worked on the thermal management of the device, ensuring that performance is sustained even during prolonged and demanding use without overheating or the device slowing down. Security. Security is an essential part of performance, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max offers high data protection with dedicated Face ID secure hardware, which uses face scanning for secure authentication. In summary, the iPhone 15 Pro Max offers top-notch performance that will satisfy even the most demanding users. The power of the A16 Bionic chip, generous amount of RAM, and advanced power management make it an incredibly fast and responsive device in all situations, whether multitasking, gaming, or media processing. The iPhone 15 Pro Max's camera is one of its main strengths, offering a suite of advanced features and exceptional image quality. The camera configuration has been carefully designed to meet the needs of photographers and photography enthusiasts. How to try to describe the camera of the iPhone 15 Pro Max quickly without boring you. 108 MP main camera. f/1.5 focal lengths. Advanced night photography. With the combination of a wide aperture, image stabilization, and advanced image processing algorithms, the iPhone 15 Pro Max excels in night photography. It can capture details, colors, and brightness in low-light conditions without the use of a flash. Deep Fusion and Smart HDR4. Deep Fusion and Smart HDR4 image processing algorithms improve photo quality significantly. Deep Fusion combines multiple exposures to achieve sharp details and noise reduction, while Smart HDR4 handles high-contrast scenes to ensure well-balanced images. Dolby Vision video recording. The iPhone 15 Pro Max can record video in Dolby Vision, offering incredible video quality with extended dynamic range and vivid colors. Optical image stabilization and 4K recording capability at 60 fps ensure stable, high-quality videos. TrueDepth front camera. The TrueDepth front camera is also of high quality, with 12MP resolution and support for 4K video recording. It features advanced portrait modes and Face ID functionality for secure authentication. Portrait mode and lighting effects. Portrait mode offers tremendous creative control over depth of field, allowing you to blur the background to highlight your subject. Light effects allow you to apply lighting and shadow effects to create more artistic portraits. In conclusion, the iPhone 15 Pro Max's camera is a powerful piece of equipment for photography and video recording. Its advanced features, image quality, and versatility allow you to capture unforgettable moments in any situation, from low-light conditions to sweeping panoramas. The battery of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a critical component of the device, designed to provide exceptional durability and ensure that users can enjoy the full functionality of the phone without worrying about running out of power quickly. The battery is what consumers care most about, so I will now describe its functionality and features briefly. Battery capacity. The battery of the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a capacity of 4,500 mAh. This generous capacity ensures that the device can hold a sufficient charge for prolonged use, even with intensive activities. Battery life. The battery life of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is remarkable. With moderate usage, such as web browsing, social media, email, and video streaming, the device is able to last a full day without any problems. This means users can use the phone without worrying about having to search for a power outlet in the middle of the day. Power management. Apple has implemented advanced power management in the iOS operating system, which optimizes battery use to ensure even longer battery life. The system can detect and reduce the energy used by non-essential background apps, thus extending battery life. Rapid charging. The iPhone 15 Pro Max supports fast charging with a 20-Go power adapter included in the package. This allows you to charge your device significantly in a short amount of time, ideal when you are in a hurry. Wireless charging. The phone also supports MagSafe wireless charging, which offers a convenient way to charge your device without cables. MagSafe can deliver up to 15 W of charging power, ensuring efficient charging. Energy saving. iOS offers several power-saving modes, including a low-power mode that automatically reduces non-essential features when the battery falls below a certain threshold. This allows users to further extend battery life when needed. In conclusion, the iPhone 15 Pro Max's battery offers a combination of generous capacity, smart power optimization, and fast charging options that make it one of the absolute best in the smartphone landscape. Users can count on exceptional battery life, which is critical for uninterrupted all-day use of the device. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is truly an extraordinary device, offering a sleek design, powerful performance, and an outstanding camera. If you want a superior mobile experience, this is the phone for you. If you have more questions or would like to learn more, please feel free to leave a comment below. It will be a pleasure to answer all your curiosities. And if you found this review helpful, please put a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest news and reviews. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.